Box repairs or a box of scrap. Oh, now. Most of it's open or in pieces. Right, we'll have to see what we can do with this one. Field. Burnt field. Brush is about to pop anyway. Here's one for you. Bosch grinder. And for repair. No plug on it. No badge. Don't know the voltage. Obviously it needs a new cable. What voltage? 110 or 240. Not getting it off of there. I've no mark on it to say it's been on here before. How do you tell? Well, this is a Bosch. You can know from the size of it. Obviously it's a Bosch, but from the slimness of it, this is a Bosch 7/115. Get yourself a knife. Here on the underside. So it's a 3601 C88171, which is a 240 volt machine. Thank you, Bosch. Needs a set of brushes as well. They're actually the wrong brushes. So we have to slope to one side. It's actually the wrong brush for that holder, it's too narrow. Same on that side, look. Flapping about on side. Change them. Put on the right one. Change the lead. Fit a new grommet and a new cable tidy. Bosch grinder. Yeah. Obviously it's a lead in, right? Change that first. Right, don't have a new one, so a second hand one will have to do. It's a lot better stick than that one anyway. That's better. No plug. All the rest were 240. This one's actually a 110. Sounds like brushes. Maybe not. Something's not right there. So that one needs a motor, a new armature. €200 to replace that armature. Don't think so. And now a hitachi as well. Armature looks alright. Obviously the bearings are all gone. And the rest of the motor looks okay. And bearings are totally shot. But the teeth look okay. Right, test this out first. Does she run? Yeah, works fine. Just need to change these bearings, as you can see. Something's not right there. So this is where the noise would have been coming from. Underneath that plate, underneath this crown gear, there's a steel plate. And there's just 2 or 3 screws holding it down to keep that bearing clamped onto the housing here. So them screws have come loose and destroyed the holder probably. See if I can fix that up, get new screws on it, or re-tap a hole here. There's the remainder of your screws. Damaged the very top bits, so just ran a tap under them, tidied up the holes. They should be fine. Plenty of blue Loctite. Keep these on. What to do with this mess? problem. The fans come off. It's just totally wallered out. It's made the hole too big for the fan. Right, I'll just check this first. Yeah, it's still tight enough. But it'll lock a glue on as well as that there. That should hold. That should hold that tight. Is it well cured there now? Try this out. See if it did the job. Actually, the rest of the motor isn't actually burnt out. That's okay. Field. That's her. Six out of 7 isn't too bad.